Okay, so to go with my fancy new soldering iron, I decided to treat myself to a professional desoldering tool. I've spent many a day, many a late night rather, sniffing on solder fumes, trying to use the vacuum solder suckers, the handheld ones, and this is supposed to be one of the best desoldering tools for the job. So very excited about this. And this, okay, there we go. Set that aside. Let's see what's what. Tools to clean. Let's see, it comes with a cleaning pen for the heating element, one for the nozzle, and the iron holder, extra filters, and the tool for the nozzle wrench. This is the nozzle wrench. Sweet. No more cursing. Wow, that's a delight to hold, let alone just use it. Just to hold it, it feels great, well balanced. And yeah, I just went with the I thought about ordering the kit with the 4 different nozzles, but for the most boards that I rework, they tend to be about 1 mil through hole, so this should suffice with the standard. I think it comes with the N08 nozzle, if I'm right. Doesn't quite say here, but yeah, I'll throw that in the description. Yeah, cool. So that's my desoldering gun, my new quick 1200S soldering iron, and first project that these guys are gonna help me build is a Pass Labs DIY M2X Class A power amplifier. Stoked, and you'll definitely see updates on that particular build. I'll post updates. Yeah, and I have ordered an actual anti-static mat for this guy that's resistant to high temperature as well, to get this station, to where it needs to be. Thanks for watching.